Okay, second try recording a video. I had one of the best videos really, and I pressed cancel instead of download. So here we go once again. We are on gold right now here, and we have been taking out this liquidity over here. And actually, we're already in a long trade, as we see here, and we covered this kind of low over here because you see kind of a reversal, and we went in the trade over here. So we already hit the 2R, and then we went all the way back to our entry. And yeah, that's a bit unfortunate, but we only after we got filled, we had covered first this loss, this low, and now we really still want to cover this area, because if this area is going to be taken out, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. And right now we're still in this trade, and I'm currently also looking if we can continue back towards the upside, because right now we tested hit this here back, and we are in the discount zone, and we have our break of structure already. And so I'm really looking for some continuation, and towards maybe even this area or this area or even higher. This is my final reward zone, so potentially the trade can go up very big. And yeah, I would love to look for a skill win if it's possible. I'm not really sure, but for that skill win, we have to go back to the low time frame, because this is the last a little bit of candles what brought you back to a new low. But before 10 a.m., I always make the burst trade, so I'm not getting into the trade before 10 a.m. Really let the mark do its work first, and maybe we will take out this high, and then we're going to look for a new trade and maybe cover this low and this area, and then continue back towards the new highs, because currently we already had a very long downtrend before, and this kind of looks for me like one of the best setups there are. Of course, there is like an area still over here, maybe could serve as a demand zone, but it's just a risk reward game. I lose 50% or 60, and I also have my winner. So this is my edge, and we're gonna play it with confidence. And yeah, next to that, we are still in USD CAD, and already for a long time, the swap fee is actually really high. We hit back our break even our entry point multiple times, but we're still in. And this will still be my main target, just to take out liquidity. And yeah, I'm very, very curious what is going to happen. I'm really having confidence with this trade already for too long. We already could have had our 2R potential, and we could have scaled in if we wanted. Maybe we can still look for a skill win. Not really sure if we will do that. I don't want to double down, and I would just want to let this trade play out. I also have to deal with some prop firm rules anyway, and consistency and patience is more important than making big winners or double down on your losses. So I'm really gonna wait for this, and it looks like we kind of go into a risk on environment, because that means I want to go long on gold, and I want to go short on the dollar. And yeah, that is for me how it looks like. And I'm really waiting until I will hit my take profit here. I might scale it a little bit down, because the potential reward could also until here. And but on funded, it doesn't really matter how, because I have a certain consistency rule. So if I make a really big winner, I need to make many more trades to finally get my take profit or my payouts. So that will take time. For challenges, it could be a better potential. Anyway, yeah, I hope you learned something from this video, and this is also to keep myself more accountable. And yeah, I really had to fly in through this area, because, of course, I got a bit irritated because I had to do it all over again. But I hope you learned something from this, and yeah, and also for my own accountability. And we'll see you probably into the next videos. And thanks for watching, guys.